Who gives instruction to prepare the disbursement voucher? Sino po ang nagbibigay ng instruction para gawin ang disbursement voucher?
Pag nirelease na po ang SARO, nag-extract po sa akin ang head of agency na pwede na po mag-prepare ng disbursement voucher.
And the head of agency is?
Ma'am Bibi Sara po.
Yeah. Secretary, please, our disbursement voucher. What we will be flashing, Ms. Acosta, is our disbursement voucher dated December 20, 2022. Do you see your signature in the document?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you please direct us where signature is? Would I be correct? It is at the bottom left,
Yes, ma'am.
which means that you were the one who received the check
Yes, ma'am.
with the number 2444027. This is December 20, 2022.
Yes po.
Across your signature is your name, Sheena F. Acosta.
Yes, ma'am.
You confirm this?
Yes, I confirm po.
Just for the record, Ms. Acosta, do you confirm the authorship of this signature appearing in the disbursement voucher? Pwerma niyo po ba ito?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And since you were the one who received the disbursement voucher, it is understandable that the check is issued to your name.
Yes
Tama
po.
po?
Tama po, ma'am.
Can we flash the check, Secretary, please? Would you confirm to us that this is the check that corresponds to the last quarter of 2022?
Yes, ma'am. I confirm.
Yes. What did you do with this check, Ms. Acosta? Ano pong ginawa niyo sa checking ito?
Pag tinatawagan na po ako ng aming cash division na okay na po yung checking sa
Sandali po. Sino po yun?
cash division po
Cash Division po
ng Office of the Vice President.
Office of the Vice President. The check is in your possession already. Nasa inyo na pong pangangalaga. Ano pong ginawa niyo dito sa checking na to?
Magpa-encash po sa Land Bank.
Nagpa-encash sa land bank. Saan po ba particular branch nyo in-encash itong check na to?
Land Bank Show.
Land Bank Show Bolivar. Can you please read the amount indicated in the check? How much is this check?
125 million pesos po.
And can you please enlighten us? Kailan niyo po ba ito in-encash?
December 20, 2022.
And that is the same date as the issuance of the check.
Yes, ma'am.
Mabilis lang po ba maggawa ng check sa inyo? Mabilis lang po ba?
Sa tingin ko mabilis kasi andyan naman agad ang checking po.
As a matter of fact, ma'am, the date of the disbursement voucher, the date of the check, and the encashment of the check are the same. That is December 20, 2022. And please walk us through. Paano po ba ninyo ginawa itong encashment ng checking ito? Medyo nakakapaisip lang po considering the huge amount equivalent of this check, 125 million. Basically, napakahirap po nitong bitbitin. Tama po ba, Ms. Acosta?
Tama po, ma'am.
Kayo po ba'y may kasama when you did the encashment of this check?
Meron pa ako kasama, ma'am.
Sino pong kasama nyo?
Si Asik Wimper Ortonio po.
ASEC Limuel Ortonio. Do you confirm that he is the same Assistant Chief of Staff?
Yes, ma'am.
Aside from ASEC Ortonio, may kasama pa po ba kayong iba?
Wala na po.
Kayong dalawa lang po.
Yes po.
At saan niyo po nilagay itong pera nito after the sale, the check was in cash?
Nilagay po sa apat na traveling bag.
Paano niyo po ito nabitbit?
Pagkatapos po, ang pera po ay nasa apat na bag. Tinutulungan po kami ng security guard ng Land Bank na isakay po sa sasakyan.
Okay, from Shaw Boulevard, saan niyo po dinala itong perang ito?
Sa office namin po, sa OVP office.
Sa OVP, was it your office or was it the office of the Vice President?
Meron po akong isang office doon na nakalagay po ang aming vault.
Gaano po ba kalaki yung inyong vault?
Mga 4 feet, tapos 3 po.
Tatlo na 4 feet na vault. Balikan ko po yung bag na na-mention nyo kanina. Can you please describe to us? Gaano po kalaki? Anong itsura ng bag? You said there were 4 bags where you placed the entire amount of 125 million.
Color black.
We are showing this Jeep duffel bag. Is it similar to that, ma'am?
Mas malaki pa dito, ma'am.
Mas malaki pa po dyan. Yung bawat bag po na mas malaki pa dyan, gaano po ang laman?
More than 30.
So the 125 million was divided into 4 bags. One bag is 30. How about the second bag?
30 po.
30 also. The third bag is?
Minsan po ba more than 30 po?
A little more than 30. And the fourth bag is more than 30 also. The total